Okay friends, welcome to another video at Amritasya Foods. So today we are making keto pizza. Now I would want to tell you, you must have eaten a lot of pizzas in the market with a normal base, and in keto diet you're not allowed to use maida or any of these atta. So here we have cauliflower, paneer, we've got cheese, and then we've got husk. So let me give you an overview of the measurement of the ingredients. This is 125 grams of cauliflower, which we have fine chopped, grated. We have chopped it and we have minced it right till this consistency. And if you see here, it is absolutely fine. It should just look like rice. That is the kind of consistency we need to move it to. Then we have paneer. This is 125 grams of paneer. We have about 2 tablespoons of cheese and 1.5 tablespoons of husk, or isabgol, what it is called. So let me go ahead, and we've added salt, pepper, and we've added oregano in it. That is again as per your discretion, the amount you would like. So overview here, this is how this base is going to look like. So when you
we made the dough with that and kept it aside for 15 minutes, and then we have rolled it on the parched paper. Here, this
so
paper.
this is a parchment paper,
And now I am putting it in the oven to bake for about 20 minutes.
so we will be baking this for 20 minutes, and after 20 minutes I will show you what it looks like, and then we will go ahead and we will add these vegetables on top. We have onion, we have capsicum, we have tomatoes, then we have red and yellow bell pepper,
That is my
and
choice.
and then we have mushroom, and we have little bit of, and we have
That's
beans,
green onions.
green onions. Green onions, you can add beans also if you want.
No.
If-
Beans will not taste good. But this is the pasta and pizza
And
sauce.
this is the pasta and pizza
Which I'll
sauce
put on
that
the
we're using.
base.
We'll put this on the base. So I will show you the video after 20 minutes as to what it is going to look like. So stay tuned. Okay friends, so I am back, and if you see here, it's been about 20 minutes now, and the pizza base, it has become absolutely brown. It is looking yummy, and the best part, I would want to tell you that people in India, they do not eat that much of meat or chicken,
Eggs.
and eggs. And especially for vegetarians who are not, who don't even eat eggs, this is an excellent recipe, because you will feel full eating the pizza. You would not have the craving for pizza, yet you're having something which is very, very healthy. So now we will just go ahead, and I will show you the garnish on top as to how we are putting the vegetables. So let's get rolling on that. So please bear with me. Okay, so
Let me show them the.
okay, so if you see here, so we are using this.
I just want to show them. It's too hot.
So
It gets crusty like this.
yeah, so if you see, as you could see here, the crust has become very, very crispy also. Now we are putting in the ingredients. We are putting in some.
This is the pasta sauce.
This is the pasta sauce that we are using. Pizza or pasta sauce, it's one and the same. Spread it right here. Now the vegetables, the ones that I had shown you earlier, we are putting in, first we would be putting in onions, right here. And I'll go ahead and I'll keep sharing new recipes with you, especially the keto recipes, So
Just the
you can
mushrooms.
follow that also. Now we've put in the mushrooms. And this video we are exclusively recording for Amritasya Foods. I have a YouTube channel also which is called Amritasya Foods. You can go on that, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell icon so that you can receive the regular notifications also. So now we put in tomatoes, and I cannot explain to you how yummy this is looking, See right here. We put green capsicum.
Some green onions.
Some green onions on top.
And some red.
Some red capsicum. Then we'll be putting in the yellow capsicum right here.
And now just bake it for 5
And
minutes.
now we will just be baking this for another 5 minutes.
Sure.
And our pizza is ready. So until my next video, this is your host signing off. You have a great day ahead and stay healthy. And I'm sorry, before we go, sorry, I forgot to put in the cheese on top. We would be putting in the cheese. I'm sorry about that. So we've put the cheese here. So your yummy keto pizza, vegetarian without eggs, is ready. So until my next video, this is your host Anuj signing off. You have a great day ahead and God bless you. Thank you. Bye bye.